Hello friends, welcome to Coderfield, and we are today discussing about new BackSlash Linux operating system. I installed on uh, HP laptop, and this supports 64-bit operating system and also dual booted. So its graphical user interface is very awesome, which is compared to Mac OS. See, the terminal is uh, looking like this, and Dolphin, which is copy to Mac OS. It's full secure. This is version 2 release on 27th of December, and this is a mixing of genome environment and KDE environment. This is a rate shift control. It's control your brightness. So see, this is how it looks. See, this is season of download stress, and it's awesome environment. See, so if you didn't install this Linux operating system, please install today. It's awesome, man. I enjoy this operating system. I recommend you to install. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like, then subscribe Coderfield. I will catch you in next Sunday.